Hi everyone, I'm Cindy Pellegrino from ARA Interiors. This is my first video and I would like to give you a little bit of a crafty weekend here. Today is Sunday and it's the first Sunday I think of November. We are a few weeks away Christmas, and I would like to do something different this year for my house, but you can do this in your house, you can do this in your business too. It's a bit of a DIY here and out of the box. As you know, I am in Sydney, Australia, and this is really hot Christmas. We are close to summer, and I decided to do something that is more Australian, is more coastal, and there are a few ideas that you can follow me. What you will need to follow these instructions, you will need to go and grab tape, scissors. You will need to get ribbons, as many as you can get, and as many colors as you can get. You will also need at least 2 different color papers, wrapping papers. So I like to choose one plain and one with some pattern. The plain I like to use to wrap boxes that are smaller. The one with patterns I like to wrap boxes that are bigger, because then you can see the pattern, right? You can get as many boxes as you like. I don't actually wrap presents. I don't have that big a family right here in Australia, but I actually get all the boxes I can get in a supermarket, or even things that I put in boxes like shoes and I'm not actually needing the box for. So I actually wrap them just to give a little bit of a decoration mood there. My Christmas tree this year will be my fan board, my surfboard. So the reason is because I'm not that good surfer. My career in surf will not go anywhere. So I also don't want to sell it, and I use it for decoration in my home anyway. So I'd like to wrap my Christmas tree around the surfboard. I will show you how to do it. But basically what you will need is a surfboard that you don't use, or that you like to buy maybe used on online. You will need white lights, fairy lights. You can get the black ones too, or the green ones, but it really depends on the color of your surfboard. I like to be white because it will give you less impact on my surfboard color, which is really light blue. And then I went and I bought a few things to hang on top of it, because usually traditional Christmas trees have that beautiful star on top of it. But because I don't have anything to put on a board, I decided to buy a few different ones and try on and see which one would be nicer. So I got this little star, not the golden one. I got wood. I've got another one in wood with a Christmas tree. So I will give it a go and I'll see which one will be better, and you will see the results in a minute. So now follow me and you will see how I will do it. Well, as you can see, very simple, nothing fancy, just very different, outside of the box. Speaking of outside of the box, all my empty boxes are now wrapped, looking cute. All this is really easy to do. Took me half an hour, less than $100 to do it. If you need any help, give me a call. See you next time. Thank you.